Hello guys! Today, mag-unbox po kami nitong laruan.
And guys,
Ducky!
and guys, we buy this at SM DASMA.
Yes, we buy it at SM DASMA
It's called
for 1,300 pesos. But we have a discount. We buy it for 400. Now we're gonna open it. See, Kendra, you open it. First, the big one, small one, and medium one.
And here's the small one. There's there's a card.
Yeah, here.
I will bookend the card first.
Yeah.
We can collect these.
We're gonna here. You can see here.
Okay,
And
first we will open this.
Me. Okay, you. Wait. Show it.
Guys,
This one, this, and this one. It's the keychain. Open it.
look like it's red.
Give it a pass. Whoa! Oh no!
And there's a sticker.
And there's a sticker. There's an ice cream sticker. And a
your
ducky.
turn.
Now my turn. This one.
And we got the sticker.
This.
Put it here.
I can open it. Whoa! It's a cute ducky.
Is there more?
A golden ducky.
Imagine.
Whoa! We got this
You got the
golden gold jersey.
Kuya, let's open it together.
Now we're gonna open it together. And this one, the last one.
Let's open it.
I'll take it out. Wait. First.
Close your eyes, guys.
Whoa! We got sparkle derp.
Okay.
Wow! There's sticker.
Wait, is that just 4?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here is all we get. This dinosaur,
The
this
golden one.
and this
Keychain.
and this ice cream sticker, and this cute case.
And we got these.
We got this, and this is all of this are worth 400 pesos. Now, bye guys!
Bye, guys.
See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!